Anybody, what are these? And what is different about an orange? What's it have on the outside? Skin or peel? Yeah. But I want you all to think like this today. I want you to think, what's the difference with this orange and this orange?
It doesn't have peel.
I want you all to think like this. This peel is the people who have their lives surrounded by God. This orange is someone that does not have their life surrounded by God. Okay, can you think like that? So, this is just water. There's nothing in it but water. There's nothing in it. Okay? If I drop this orange in, what's it going to do?
It's going to float.
It's going to float, isn't it? It's going to come back up. It's going to float. And this one's going to float. So today we're talking about walking on the water. Now what's going to happen if I drop this orange in? Why is it going to sink?
The water goes through.
Yeah. Because it absorbs the water. It doesn't have the protective layer on the outside. The protective wrap of Jesus. So they're going to sink. Now, I was in there talking to Michelle, better known as Cameron's grandma, for about 15 minutes today, and they floated the whole time. The oranges that had the peeling, that had the protection, never sank. They stayed up the whole time. They were right there every minute. But the oranges, the ones that don't have the protection of God, what? Sank. So today we're going to talk about that in our lesson. We are going to talk about having the protection of God allows us to do mighty things and allows us to do miracles.